My name is Adrienne Faricelli. I'm a professional CPDT certified dog trainer, and for the last 10 years I've been helping people to eliminate bad behaviors in dogs and train well-behaved pets by showing them how to bring out the hidden intelligence inside their dog. Every dog without exception has hidden intelligence. I'm going to show you a dog training system that took me 10 years to perfect, a proven battlefield-tested system for creating an incredibly well-behaved, intelligent dog. The sad fact is, most dog trainers give you cookie-cutting training programs. They use old-school, outdated techniques. Or worse yet, they have no qualifications and are complete phonies. So what's the answer to stopping your dog's behavior problems? In 4 words, discovering your dog's hidden intelligence. Once you learn my simple techniques for unlocking your dog's natural intelligence, you will be amazed at how quickly problem behaviors disappear. Click the link in the description to check out my brain training for dogs course.